So 2019 just rolled around and my camera setup has changed a lot since my last camera bag video. So right now I'm going to show you what I got in my camera bag and explanation as to why. So let's get into an overhead view and I'll show you what's in my bag. So this is my bag. It is the Lowepro Tahoe BP150. It's a really nice small little bag. I know Miles is the same one as me. It's really like just really convenient and it can carry everything I need inside of it. I consider this like a minimal camera setup, what's in here. I don't know if other people will, like real minimalists or whatever, but I'm not a real minimalist. I just like know what I need and what I don't need, and I recently have slimmed it down a lot of stuff. So usually on the sides I have a Joby Gorilla Pod right here, but mine actually broke, so I just bought a new one and it's shipping in right now. So just pretend there's a Gorilla Pod there. And let's get in. So this first zipper, got nothing in it. I don't know, I'll probably just like store snacks there or something. This next one, I store my phone and such inside this when I need it, when I need to like have it away, and snacks and stuff. So yeah, let's get into the main part. So this is my camera setup. Actually, I'll just start from top to bottom. So right here I got my main microphone, the Comica CVM V30. Really nice, has a low cut filter in it and a plus 10 decibel setting, which I like a lot. That's really useful. Then drone, I just store there as my Spark right in the side. Just fits right in, and I have had no problem with it breaking or propellers breaking or anything. Then the controller for it goes right there. I chose the Spark mainly because of the price. I know there are things smaller than it, like the Mavic Air is a lot smaller, but that is quite a bit more expensive as well. So right in this compartment, I store my extra lens, which is the 28 to 70 Sony kit lens. This is the kit lens. I'm just gonna keep it in here until I buy a new lens, which I do plan on getting more lenses for my Sony. And then in this tiny slot right back here, I got this little thing, the Aperture M9. I think everyone should have at least one of these. This is so nice. It's so like compact. I don't see why anyone wouldn't. It hardly takes up any space. As you can see, just slips right back in this little slot, and it's pretty much unseen. So just really nice, the size of it. And then over here we got some GoPro stuff. I still use my GoPro Hero 4 Black because it gets all the frame rates I need and it shoots 4K, which is really nice. Deeper below, I got a charging port for 3 extra GoPro batteries. We use these GoPros on roofs and such for head point of view footage from roofs and things. So then my main shooter that I upgraded to recently is the Sony A7, the original Sony A7, and I love this camera. I know it is about 6 years old, but it is just so great. I can't even imagine what the newer ones would be like since this one's so great already. 24 megapixel sensor, 1080/60, full frame. Everything is just great about it. And the lens I got on it is the 2.8 Rokinon 14mm wide angle lens for full frame. Really great for low light, especially with a Sony. Just love this camera, love this setup. It's so awesome. Then we'll get into the pouch part. So up here is just, this is really, I know there's better ways to organize this, but I haven't gotten any yet. So up here I got the waterproof case for the GoPro, and it has a floaty mount on the back. And it's connected to a makeshift mouth mount for the GoPro. Then deeper in, you got a GoPro head strap with a skeleton case for the GoPro. Then even deeper in, you just got another back thing for the GoPro. Extra battery for the DJI Spark. Then I just got a whole ton of Sony batteries because Sony's last like freaking 3 minutes and then they're dead. Worth it for how great they are. So yeah, that's pretty much all what's in my bag. So I'm gonna repack it. One thing I forgot to mention is right here is a pouch for SD cards, and I just got a whole bunch of different kinds in there. Just for extra, I have like 3 32s and then a couple 16s and I think 1 8 as well. I don't think I've ever really run out of space on a shoot though with a 64. So yeah, pretty much everything I need fits in this tiny backpack. And I think that really goes to show like what photographers need and what they don't. So when I'm going night photography, like I said, I either got the Joby, or if I'm doing professional shoots, I bring this, which is a bigger landscape heavy camera tripod. I do use this, but just hardly ever. I used to bring it all the time with my bigger setup, but now I don't because I learned how to slim things down, how to get smaller. I got a GoPro in here, a full frame camera, a drone, extra lens, and then just a bunch of batteries and a light. Like, I think that's pretty cool. And I could fit this light in this pouch like this, but I think it's just kind of fat and I already have that small light, so I don't really need to. I'll probably just fit snacks in there or in my phone. So that is all I have in my camera bag, and I know that might not seem like a lot to some people, but I found that's all I need. I do have a gimbal, but I don't need that every single place I go. I need that maybe once every 20 times I'm going to film. Unless I'm doing professional, I always bring more gear. And this is just like everyday use, you know, going to the city, taking photos, exploring with my friends. Just, this is the main things I bring. So yeah, like, it's obviously not the best gear ever. It's really, some of the stuff is outdated, but it's all I have, all I need. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you liked this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and consider sharing with a friend. That'd be really useful. So we're trying to grow the channel. I guess that kind of goes without saying, but yeah. See you in the next video. See you tomorrow, actually.